I'm going to show you how you can make a green screen at home in 3 easy steps. Green screen technology. That's what we're looking at, you see. And I've got a couple of green screens fabric. I've got a really big one. But I always found that they are a bit of a problem. They hang and they blow and they move and they have shadows. So I've just got some green paint here. I can open this. That's right, here we go. Da, 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 da. And I've just, look at that, it's beautiful. And I'm about to paint my wall green, and that will be my green screen. Flat and with some lighting, no shadows. Let's see how it works out. So I've got a chopstick here. Give that a stir. Okay. I'm giving you a painting lesson now. Just knock that off there. There you go. I'm going to add a cup of water to this as well. So let's top that up with water later. Fill that. Use the brush to get any excess paint off. Okay. And let's clear that. And then I'm just going to get a cup of water to mix and dilute that down. That will allow us to stretch the paint because we're going to use 2 coats anyway, so we'll get more for our money. Okay. So here I've got a roller and a broom. Put the broom handle on the end of that. And that's going to save you a lot of work. So now we want to load up the roller. Before I do that, I'm just going to put this out the way. The last thing you want to be doing is becoming Laurel and Hardy or turning your DIY into a Charlie Chaplin movie. You know, stepping into a pot of paint. So let's put that on there, okay? Another thing I need is a wet cloth, which I haven't got. So I'm going to get a wet cloth. I know it sounds a bit silly, but just having a wet cloth at the ready. Move any obstacles out the way. And I should be able to load this up. Let's go. Let's load that. Okay. Don't put too much on, because it'll start flying everywhere. So that's how you want to load that up. Okay, and just go slowly first. See how we do. This is how we do. Okay. Nice and slowly.
VIET man on the flow, on the wall. Oh, we the green screen, y'all.
Green screen technology.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Hi. Yeah, hi. Bit nighting Anaheim. Do you speak English?
I can speak English
A little bit. Okay.
I remember you. You were in yesterday.
Yeah, that's right. I was in yesterday. I bought the green paint. Oh, you remember? Your English is very good.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, you remember me.
Yeah, I do.
Anyway,
I remember you.
I've the paint, the green paint.
Yes.
Apparently green. I put the first coat on yesterday afternoon.
Very good.
And everything was fine. Then I had to go out and do some work.
Okay.
I came back in the evening.
Yes.
Yeah, it dried nicely.
Good.
And I put the second coat on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I went to bed.
Yes.
I woke up in the morning.
And?
It's in purple.
What? It's what colour?
No, it's purple.
Purple, not green.
Purple.
Purple.
Molten. Yeah,
Yeah,
purple.
molten, purple, yes.
Yeah,
Have you put any red paint in there?
Oh, no, I haven't put any red paint in there. I haven't touched it.
What happened?
I just put 2 coats on of green, your green paint.
you add
I woke up in the
red
morning, it's purple.
Do you like purple? Don't you like purple then?
No, I don't like. It doesn't matter if I like purple or not. Why is it purple? I don't like green.
Well, why did you buy green?
It's only green because it's for my
Oh, you need
job.
Oh, a green.
I need a green screen. I don't particularly like the green colour.
Oh, okay, so...
It's purple.
Well, can't you use a purple screen?
Nobody uses a purple screen, not even Prince. Well, he's dead now, but
Who's Prince?
you're going to have to come and sort it out. I'll send a video now.
Yeah, send me a video.
We're recording it.
Good.
And I'm going to send you
Yeah, let me have a look.
this bloody colour, mate. It's absolutely
Okay,
ridiculous.
calm
It's
down, calm
bananas. I've known nothing like it.
Okay.
I thought it was the chemicals playing
No.
playing tricks on my
There's no
mind.
chemicals in
But
our
it's
paint.
definitely purple,
Definitely
mate.
purple. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll
Okay,
sort it
thank
out.
you.
Don't
Sorry if
worry.
I'm, you know,
We'll get your green back.
I just like, it's quite disturbing. I've woke up to a nightmare, a purple nightmare.
No, we don't want bad dreams.
Yeah. Okay, yes, okay.
Okay,
Talk to you
darling.
soon. Ta-ra.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Unbelievable. Hi, this is VIET Man coming to you live from Vietnam. Now, what does VIET Man keep in his wardrobe? Well, let's have a look at the sneaker collection. It's very important to walk with your Air Jordans. Red and black, high top with the white finish. Boxed up. You need to keep your boxes. Trust me when I tell you that. Yes. And the sister over here, the very elegant orange and black suede Air Jordan. Beautiful, my friend. Again, boxed up. Keep your boxes. Without your boxes, they're not worth a dime. Trust me when I tell you that. I've got the perfume, the cologne, Savage, Air de perfume, Air de toilet. Tommy for the cheaper gigs. Tommy just for when you're going down to the local shop. The Louis Vuitton caps. Don't forget the BMW because I do ride a Beamer. Now, if you're editing music and film, you need your MacBook Pro. There's one. There's two. There's another one over there on the table where you've seen me working. Okay, my friend? I'm not showing off. You need to have MacBook Pro when you're there on the flow. That's how I'm rolling. Trust me. Now, I hear some of you laughing, saying, VIET Man's only got 2 pairs of sneakers. How many do I need? These are beautiful. I've only got 1 pair of feet. 2 pairs of sneakers, right? That's enough. That is enough, don't you think? Well, if you need more, come and have a look at these. Follow me over here. How about that? Is that collection extensive enough for you? That's my sneaker collection.
Green screen magic, oh so grand, where fantasy meets the filmmaker's hand. From distant galaxies to ancient lore, immersive